Hello Emotiva fans, Damon here. I just want to walk you through setting up Wi-Fi on your new Plus processor. All right, setting up your new Wi-Fi system on the RMC. We'll go into the menu, Setup. You go to the network, and there is a new option here for Wi-Fi. Comes disabled as the default. You'll want to enable the Wi-Fi. Then you'll go down to Wi-Fi setup, but we're going to go up here to easy setup, begin easy setup, left arrow. Now it's taking the Wi-Fi receiver and turning it into a Wi-Fi transmitter, and it will be a new Wi-Fi hotspot. You will need to go to the Wi-Fi settings in your iPad or phone, whatever device, your computer, whatever device you're using, and choose the Emotiva Wi-Fi, the SSID of the processor. All right, once we've connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the receiver, we are going to go into the web browser. We'll type in what it says on screen, the http://rmc1.local in your web browser. So after going to your web browser and typing in the RMC local, the configure Wi-Fi page will come up. At that point, you will select network. Now, once you see the local Wi-Fi's to your house, click on the one that you want to connect to, then type in the password. Select submit. And then at that point, you will see the front of the processor configure Wi-Fi. Please wait. And then it comes back to the easy setup, and there you go. You have an IP address. And if you wanted to look in and see, you could go to the manual setup at this point, and you can see your settings. This now will work with your remote app wirelessly and also direct wirelessly. So you're complete and you're on the network. Thank you for your time.